Today I'm showing off this brand new 200 kilowatt MTU diesel model DS200. This one happens to be unit number 71488. As you can see, it comes with a nice sound and attenuated enclosure. Offers 120/208 voltage applications. Engine-wise, this unit's going to feature a Mercedes-Benz. These units, we have 14 total, have either 0 or 1 hour on them just for testing-wise. They're all new. They sit atop a 400-gallon fuel tank. Measurements, they measure 180 by 48 by 107 and weigh in at 7,000 pounds. These units are ready to ship. Give us a call, 866-518-1240. Thanks for watching today.